Hi, this is Jason West. I just want to tell you a little bit about the bandwidth charges that you may incur using Kartra. But the good news is that very recently in May of 2020, Kartra gave you the option to not worry about bandwidth charges ever again, because from the silver plan above, you're going to get unlimited bandwidth in your account. Now, how does it all work? So let's look at the plans as it stands right now. We've got Kartra Starter. You get 2,500 leads. You can send 15,000 emails in total from your account every month, but you get 50 gigabytes of data. Now, if you're a real small user, you don't have tons and tons of images uploaded. Videos are the ones that use a lot of bandwidth, because you'll upload a video. Okay, so there's some bandwidth, just getting that. Say it's a 100 megabyte video, there's 100 just to get it up there. Then you've got 100 stored there. And then if somebody downloads and watches that entire video, there's 100 again. So you've got that continuous definite charge of 100 megabytes on your account, or a part of your 50 gig, and then 100 megabytes of data downloading every time someone watches the video. So you can see how it could rack up a little bit. If you've got several large sort of tutorial videos and lots of members of your course or group or whatever, then you can really guzzle some data. So the way around it, to be honest with you, is not to go, oh no, where should I host my videos? I'm going to host them somewhere else. When, that kind of defeats the object of Kartra, because you're supposed to have everything in one place and it's just easier that way. So just upgrade. The silver plan, it goes up to $199 a month. But if you're in a position where you need to upgrade, then probably that's going to be a very reasonable cost compared to how much you're making every month. And also, you'd probably have to go and get something like Wistia or Vimeo anyway. So you may as well just use Kartra. Now, the other good thing about upgrading to silver is that you also then get unlimited emailing, which is another thing they also did back in May 2020, which is fantastic. You don't have to start worrying about going over your allowance with that. And I regularly did. I regularly went over my allowances and always incurred some extra charges. Not loads, but still quite a bit. And when I held a virtual summit once, I ended up spending a few $100s over the allotted amount. So great update that they've made in terms of making it more a better value even still for people who are on the silver plan and above. So So the upshot is, if you are worried about bandwidth charges with Kartra, don't need to worry, just upgrade to silver, everything will be absolutely fine and you can sleep soundly. Now, if you're looking to get some free training on Kartra, I can help you out there, because I've got a whole membership area that you can join. There'll be a link underneath this video if you're watching on YouTube, or maybe above if you're on Facebook, that you can just jump on right in. Here you go, look at all these videos. There is tons and tons of Kartra tutorial videos on everything that it does, really. So communications, emailing, forms, the whole lot, and some webinar training, internet marketing training. I've been doing it 20 years. There's a lot of stuff in there that can help you out, save you time, and the way you get it is just simply to click on the link below this video or above, and then go and fill out your details and you get immediate free access to this. Nothing to buy, you can just go on in and just use all of the information to help grow your business a little faster. If you like this video, do me a favor, just like it or subscribe to my channel. There'll be lots more coming, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Take care.